Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing a pair of TWS earphones from Insflug. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earbuds along with the charging case. Up top, we have a couple of the salient features which include hi-fi audio and touch operations. On the left hand side, we have some safety and precautionary information. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly when you get this product. On the right hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include wireless Bluetooth 5.0 technology with low latency for smooth gaming. It also has an ultra low power consumption that gives it a battery life of 4.5 to 5 hours. It has a novel and stylish appearance. It also has breathing lights and can pair immediately when the charging case is opened. It has an in-ear ergonomic design for comfortable wearing. On the back of the box, we have a few more salient features, which include twist locking for a secure fit, durable build, sweat proofing, a good sound with pure bass, buttons to control volume, music, and calls. It also has compatibility with Apple devices and Android devices. It has 8 hours of total battery life, that is, battery life including the charging case. And over here, we have an image of the charging case and the earbuds, along with some callouts that say fireproof ABS plastic, multifunctional touch area, power indicator, and headphone indicator. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the box. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with using it and connecting it to a smartphone. Next, we have the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a USB Type C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 12 inches in length. Coming now to the earbuds, it has a glossy black finish all around it, and it is quite flamboyantly designed in a gamer centric kind of way. Uh, on the stems of the earbuds, we have the two charging points that it uses to charge its individual batteries. On the outsides of the earbuds, we have LED lights, as we can see from this earbud that is blinking red and blue, indicating that it is currently in pairing mode. Coming now to the charging case, this has a matte black finish all the way around. The charging port is on the left hand side. The USB-C charging port, that is same as the charging wire. The lid opens up like this, and on the inside we have the slots for the earbuds. When we put the earbuds in, the lights on the charging case light up. There is one light on each side, and the lights look quite attractive, almost like the DRL headlights of a sports car. To get started with using these earphones, we need to remove it from the charging case. And for the purposes of this video, we will be connecting it to an Android device. In the available devices section of the Bluetooth settings, click on the one that says TWS, that is the Bluetooth name of this earphone. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and we can also see that the battery level is at 90%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of a pair of TWS earphones from Insflug. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.